we continue to cover Utah's rebound from the pandemic shutdown, this week a big step in that process. Almost all COVID-19 public health orders could be coming to an end.
It is good news. Fox 13's Sydney Glenn spoke with a business owner who says it'll be a big step in helping him bounce back. She's live from Utah's Capitol Hill this afternoon. Sydney.
Bob and Kelly, the state just has one final hurdle before almost all of the state's public health orders for COVID-19 are a thing of the past. They just need to hit that 1.633 million mark in terms of vaccine doses. Well, state leaders say that could happen as soon as tomorrow or Friday. MILO restaurant is the new kid on the block.
It has been extremely challenging.
As Chef MILO Carrier sharpens his most important tools, he thinks about his journey to get here in this kitchen.
Wrote the business plan and kind of conceived of this restaurant over a number of years.
During the start of construction, the pandemic hit.
It's required a tremendous amount of flexibility and adjustments and dealing with unexpected challenges.
The restaurant is open, but some seats, like these bar stools, have stayed empty.
In the original business plan, we wanted the smaller section of our restaurant to kind of serve as a bar or kind of gathering area for people in the community.
Now, health restrictions that are keeping these seats off limits are likely expiring this week. But state leaders remind everyone the pandemic isn't over yet.
We're not out of the woods yet, but there's just more responsibility on each individual and each business to do their part now.
Carrier says they won't rush things, but are anxious to start filling this place up more.
Then we would be able to operate a little bit more closely to how we originally envisioned.
Now it's a new balancing act for this newcomer. Without restrictions, what do customers want to see?
I'm curious to see if guests really are willing to come sit in a restaurant that's packed with patrons in close proximity to each other.
So at this point, you've probably noticed there really aren't that many public health orders as it is. Businesses are kind of making their own rules right now. But the two main ones that we still have in effect right now are that when you have a large gathering with more than 50 people, they have to wear a mask, as well as some distancing requirements for restaurants and bars. This endgame bill will make those both a thing of the past, but masks will still be required in schools. Live in Salt Lake City, Sydney Glenn, Fox 13.